Okay, this is our unboxing of the Easy Robot, and this Easy Robot kit is the Adventure Bot, and we're about to open up the box and see. I would say that I've already been through this and removed some of the packaging, so it's easier for us to open up. So we're going to open the box. Everything is normally bundled up and nicely wrapped with the little popper bags. You have a nice starter kit, starter guide. Basically explains everything. It's got the bits and pieces for your reference guide. You have a power charger. You have a carapace goes on top of the model. You have a dragger that goes behind. This is because it's a two-wheeled robot, and to provide proper balance you just have a little tail hangs behind it. You have a couple of servos mounted with wheels for motion. Nice solid little wheels, about 2 inches in diameter. Adapter for the charger. Couple of cable ties to keep things nice and tidy. You have a set of these connectors. Now these connectors are an easy clip, and they're designed to simply clip together to allow you to connect the wheels, to allow you to connect basically anything that you want to connect onto the Easy Robot. These obviously the mechanism itself, the clip is in the public domain, so you can build anything that you would want to go on this. So if you wanted to make a jousting robot, you could build something with an arm on it to attack another robot, or a lifter. Everything that is white that I'm bringing out is can be 3D printed. So if you've got a 3D printer, if you want to make it robot into your own school colours or favourite football team colours, you can do. It's nice and simple to put together. This little device is a camera. Again, it's works with a processing module on board, and it will allow you to either stream video or capture stills even. So camera, you can move this out the way and lift this out. This is the power supply and processor module. Now that can just be disconnected like that. Power supply is a LiPo battery charged via the charger, and nice and simple. This, however, is far from simple. It's a nice powerful device. It actually contains 2 processors. There's a 200 meg 32-bit Cortex ARM3 processor looking after all the robotics side, and then there's a separate 80 meg PIC32 processor that looks after the web device, which allows us to connect to other devices. It's quite clever what it can do, because you can download subroutines to run on this across Wi-Fi, and it can basically sit and be its own device on the network. For example, somebody in the past has programmed this up with a camera to be able to sit and look for faces, and when it sees a face, it takes a picture and then tweets it. So there's an awful lot you can do with it. In terms of capacity on here, you've got 8 analog to digital inputs, which are capable of running up to 5 volts. You've got 24 5-volt based digital IOs. These will work with servos, pulse width motors, pulse width modulation devices, anything like that. Then you've got 3 I2C sockets, which are capable of powering LEDs and that type of thing, and this nice little connector here for the video camera. So this will allow you to connect the Easy Robot video camera in, and of course there are subroutines built onto this device to allow it to manipulate the video. So you can basically just go ahead and click that into place, and that's now connected to the processor. If we then take a wheel, we can look at how we want the wheels to fit. Well, if we want to put the wheels running that way, then we can just clip on there. So you would just clip a connector in the side, slide it in, and then you can clip the wheels on either sideways or vertically, depending upon how you want to go. You would take this, and this would go onto one of your digital I/O ports. So you'd put that on like that. Again, you put another one on the other side, and nice and simple, clip that together, and again clip the wheel on. Secondary port on here, so you've clipped that together. It's nice and simple. That's put on, and then if we want to put this little dragger on the back, you can put that like that. And I've just done that completely wrong. Let's see, we don't want it that way, do we? Take that out. How do we want it to go? We want it to go like that, so that from there you could clip that in, so you now have a device which is capable of, almost capable of balance, and then you can mount your cover over the top, keep all your cables nice and neat and tidy, and we should have connected that in first. You can put the video on the top, and in less than 5 minutes, obviously if you wire that in, you have the basis of a robot that you can connect up onto the internet, onto your own network. Having said that, you can connect it onto the internet if you have obviously fixed IP addresses on your network. You can actually set that up so that it can be controlled across the internet, and there you have a roving adventure boat. 5 minutes. Wonderfully simple kit, one of about a half dozen that Easy Robot manufacture, and very configurable, and you can do an awful lot with it.